Hi, you're with GP3 on Soul Searching. Hey, what's going on? 5 days later, went into Hermeticsville to go ahead and really process what the timeline was offering. Okay. So Aries decided to pull many, 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 many years back into like -11 on the spinal tap. And in that process, we decided that the we I'm talking about is probably most Aries. We decided that we are getting coherent with awareness about the wheel and how it turns and where power has been leaked out or let out mistakenly or not for learning. And so I decided to pop on here real quick just to say hi because after Convergence, I've been processing a lot about where this show's going and about how I want to address it. I'm pretty creative. And so I'm thinking maybe a team of people that are building out a creative soul development channel alongside my music because music and the soul hand in hand. All right. And I've got material that I'm going to be posting through this day, and we're going to get to some of the aspects, the 7 principles of Hermetics, and what it should feel like when the cause and effect are balancing out, and the feeling of sensation that one would have. You might be feeling it now. Yeah, you might be feeling it now. There's a tremendous energetics coming from underneath your feet up through the mama into your auric field and passing through and moving stuff out. And a lot of connections that were entangled are being loosened right now for those that are just allowing themselves to slow down into themselves. So getting back into the center channel, actually moving off of both the left and the right side, letting those be properly displaced out of the auric field. 6 feet out is the proper healthy auric body. And yes, we know that through long history. So we'll be bringing those pieces together to tie them together. But do yourself a favor and start practicing and learning on Hindu teachings. You're going to be able to grow. Okay. Yeah, and each thing has a piece that we bring together so that we can do a better summation of the singularity in the self, right? So if it's not really meeting the heart coherence in the timeline, probably not going to be a good movement, right? Because heart coherence allows you to see where there's things trying to come in even ahead of it, right? Because you feel that open channel. So you have a chance to take a look at it. Also, certain choices lead to certain potentials, and those potentials have things already attached to them. So be careful. Understand the 7 principles, slow down. They're not hard, super easy. They're just mind-blowing because if it's that simple, you take a respect and reflection of self every time, right? So this is the good stuff. Hey, you're with GP3. Get over to our YouTube, and because we're going to be posting on Soul Searching on Instagram, but we're also going to be making our show stuff start up on YouTube. So, hey, thanks. Talk to you soon.